Look, it's not running a club, it's running a country. Every country has their own policy to make a good relationship with their neighbor. So whenever there is an agreement between two countries, a state within the country may have their own opinion. Country has to fulfill the interest of his own state, as well as he has to look the interest of the neighbor. You know, the difficult and the complex situation of the foreign policy. We have to take so many steps looking forward the bigger political impact. So Mamata Banerjee, what she is saying that running a club is equal to running a country. I don't think it has got any kind of meaning. If she has to say anything, she can talk to directly with the center and try to place her statement regarding this particular treaty.
In Bengal Assembly, Mamata Banerjee demanded permission of India-Bhutan River Commission at Niti Aayog meet.
I think she should talk on this particular point to the center itself. It is not like that you put one motion into the assembly and try to criticize the center without the presence of any member of the center. So this is a very low taste of politics what she has done in the assembly.
Bengal ministers move special notice in assembly on Mamata's alleged humiliation in Niti Aayog meeting.
I don't think it is already cleared by the Niti Aayog itself that there is no such humiliation happen. Our chief minister has got a very good track record to say untruth. She is used to say untruth time and again. And you know that when Niti Aayog officially stated that there is no such humiliation happen, now she wants to make some drama. You know that when she is talking about the deprivation, just go through and see the budget of West Bengal, you will see that only 87,000 crore rupees, they have their own income. So having such an own income, the less own income, this particular government is fully dependent on central government and market loan. So she is saying utter lie. It will be better she should take some step to make or to increase the own state income.
Will resist the division of Bengal at any cost. Mamata Banerjee on new union territory.
I think she should use one hearing machine. Nobody is saying to divide Bengal. She is distorting the facts and figures. She is distorting the statement to make some drama. I think it is very much unfortunate that one minister, state minister, he was saying that if you born in Hindu, Jain, Christian, in any other religion apart from the Muslim, you are an unfortunate. So this is more dangerous statement than anything. To cover up this statement, she is making this kind of drama.
TMC leader Kunal Ghosh says Bengal is okay. The state is moving toward development. The people of Bengal are supporting Mamata Banerjee, TMC, and they are rejecting BJP for their cheap politics. They are deprived Bengal, using the power of central agency. They are trying to create confusion regarding the state.
I don't think I should comment on his remarks, as because he is so unstable. Someday he is within the Trinamool, someday he is out from the Trinamool. So it will not be a very good thing to comment on him. But the thing is that he has got a past record to slap on the prison van. Just think about that time and then comment on the overall situation of